I'm gonna take this shot, okay? I'm gonna go stand over here. If y'all wondering, that's your boy in high school. That's me, boy. I was dope. I was fresh. I was raw. I still am. Y'all want to challenge me to a one-on-one? Let's go. Anyway, I'm gonna take this shot. If I miss this shot, I'm gonna give away these shoes. If I make this shot, these shoes is all mine. All right, let's go.
It was at this moment that
Michael
knew he fucked up.
Turn down for what? Sorry, guys. You can stay tuned to the other giveaway coming for the Bordeaux 7s. Don't even trip. Let's get into this unboxing. Y'all wonder who the sneak geeks are. Let me break down what a sneak geek is. If you like sneakers, bruh, let me explain why I'm explaining what a sneak geek is. Dude's like, yo, bro, what's a sneak geek? Like, what is it? Well, bro, a sneak geek is, if you get some sneaks and you geek for the sneaks, then you're a sneak geek. So welcome to the Sneak Geek Squad. Hold up. This is something that I've been waiting for. This is in the eBay. No. This ain't even the eBay. I got some shoes on eBay today. You'll see those soon. This is from Snapchat. If you haven't added me on Snapchat, check your boy out at Mike the Compass. Boom. Snapchat dude hit me up. I sold some shoes to him. He sold some shoes to me. And this is a dope pickup. I know I bring a lot of unboxing to you guys, but it's because you enjoy them. So we're gonna keep doing it. I've honestly been waiting for these shoes. I've been just waiting to honestly pull the trigger on them. You know, my whole thing with shoes is I like to get steals. Like, who doesn't? I mean, you can spend any damn amount you want and get any shoe you want, but at the end of the day, be smart when you're purchasing. But some of these, you just gotta ball out. For these, I didn't necessarily ball out. I still paid under the market. So that's what I always do, man. Like, if it's over the market or at the market, I don't really feel comfortable purchasing it. But with these, yeah, I can't even tell y'all. Like, even my mom was like, I'm surprised you don't already have those. Let's see, we got a dope. Oh, okay. Thanks, bro, for the alley oop on the diamond Asics. I did get rid of my Asics. If you've seen that on the unboxing, they were just too small. Hope you enjoy these. Keep up the videos. Hey, I appreciate you. I appreciate you, Christian. You the man. Y'all don't even know the Kobe's. What are those? These are flames, bro. So y'all probably wondering, Mike, how much you pay for these? I paid $400. $405 shipped. I'm not tripping, bro. I honestly think these were worth it. Checking on eBay, they want like $700. The market is around like $745, $775. So I'm content with my purchase. These are dead stock, brand new. Who knows if they were tried on? I don't know, probably, but I ain't tripping, bro. There's not much else to say. We got the dope laces. Here's one of them. You know, the thing that really sucks is now the genuine Kobe fans, the people that really like love the sneakers, aren't going to be able to get them anymore. Yo, what's going on, guys? I have been going back and forth about this video. I know, man, everyone's hurt. Like, it's insane. It's really crazy how much Kobe impacted everyone. I mean, essentially, Kobe was like my generation, and even everyone else, like, our Michael Jordan. You know, I got to see so much of Michael Jordan, but Kobe was in the league at 17. Like, he got in the league in 96. I was born in 94. And, you know, Michael Jordan retired in 2003. So Kobe has just been that one inspiration, that fire, the one person to like just keep you going throughout whatever. And I wanted to make this video. It's more than just sneakers. It's very unfortunate. It's like seeing our Superman die. Like, it puts so much in perspective. Like, the other day, like, I just laid in bed and I just thought to myself, like, we just lost Superman. And I never thought that I personally could be so affected by someone that I didn't actually know in person or ever get to meet. And I know a lot of you guys feel that way. Obviously, the city of Los Angeles is extremely hurt, and just everyone. Like, I even had my manufacturers from China contact me. Like, his reach was just unbelievable. His legacy, it was more than just basketball. All the families, like, I'm praying for you guys because this is extremely tragic, and it leaves me with this sick feeling every day since it's happened. It's only been 3 days, 2 days really. So I just wanted the message to be clear, man. Just remember that getting home alone is a blessing, and we're really not guaranteed anything. Really just try to live your life. And we grew up always step back, Kobe. Like, it's just, it'll never die. I've just had conversations with multiple friends and everyone's hurting. So I feel you. But the best thing that I can tell you guys is just to carry on, carry that chip on your shoulder. You be the next Kobe. You make your own legacy. It doesn't matter if you're a basketball player, an athlete, whatever it is that you do every single day, just give it your all. And that's really the message that Kobe wanted us to receive. You know what really sucks is that it's these kind of things that happen that really have to put things into perspective for us all together. Just really do your best, be the best person you can be, and just think about how many people Kobe influenced. You be that next person. Uplift people. Don't drag them down. One by one, we can really just make a better change and do big things. Seems like during these times, you either get the positivity or you get the negativity. And I don't know about you guys, but I literally had to stay offline for the 2 days because there was just so much garbage on my Twitter feed of just negativity. People just really are hurting themselves, so they want to bring you down and make you feel a piece of that pain. And I don't understand it at all. But let's get into the video, man. Like, I'm not gonna give any shine on negativity. We're just gonna honestly just be grateful that we even got to see someone like Kobe. It sucks that we're not gonna get to see that old Kobe Bryant on the sideline teaching young cats. We're not gonna be able to hear his Hall of Fame speech. And I don't want to make this all about Kobe because there was 9 people that died in this accident, and it's extremely tragic. Like, you even think about the Altobello family. You got a coach who I'm sure influenced so many kids and did great things. A mom, a daughter, another mom. Their names are Peyton Chester, Sarah Chester. Like, I don't want these names to go unnoticed. They had the basketball coach and teacher, Christina Mauser. They had the pilot. I can't pronounce his name. It's Ara. The sad truth is people die every day, and all we care about is terms. Like, everything is term wise. Someone just died yesterday, but it doesn't really affect us. There's always terms on death. In reality, there's someone yesterday that lost someone that was very important and may have influenced a lot of people. So it's just sad. And again, just remember to count your blessings. And anytime you're feeling down, just remember that things can be a lot worse. And that's it. I'm done preaching. It's just something that was on my mind, man. It's just something that I wanted to preach. And like I said, this is more than sneakers. Obviously, I'll get into the sneakers, but those are just some things that were really on my mind, bro. Like, so let's get into the shoes. I know a lot of you guys are huge Kobe fans. And I mean, if you've been watching this channel forever, like, I want to just get into the heat, the banger right off the rip, because this is literally the most, I don't even know the word. Like, this is the shoe that I just wanted so bad. Like, out of all my sneakers, I wanted this shoe. In college, all I did was hoop and Kobe's. Like, that was it. Kobe 8s were my thing. Like, that was the one shoe that was just so perfect for my foot. And I remember in high school, like, over and over, I listened to Lil Wayne. Oh, Kobe doing work. Like, that was it for me. And I would just listen to Kobe interviews over and over, and I just couldn't wait to get out in the court and just, man, I was gonna step on your throat, honestly. That Mamba mentality. So the first Kobe that I just couldn't wait to pull the trigger on, I don't even remember how I got these, but it seems like they're almost impossible to find. And we'll get into that. I know there's another topic that you guys really want me to talk about, but can I just talk about this real quick? Right. Yeah, the Kobe 8. This shoe was everything to me. Like, I wore this once during a SneakerCon game, once during like a regular basketball game, and then weirdly enough, I wore these last week when I was working out. Weird. But I try to keep these in the best condition possible. I have so many Kobe 8s. I think they might be back like up home somewhere. I wore a lot of my Kobe's into the ground, but this, I love these. And let's get into resale, man. So, I mean, I personally paid like $600 for these, and that was years ago. That was a couple years ago. And now you have, people are just disgusting, like sick-minded. As soon as Kobe dies, you look on StockX, you look on Go, and all the sneakers that were yesterday may have sold for $200 are going for $600, $800, $1,000. And I see that Nike has made kind of like it's prohibited to sell Kobe's. They took all the jerseys and sneakers offline, which is good because people are really buying stuff just to flip it. Now, I just saw, before I started shooting this video, a YouTuber who made a video saying, made $1,000 in a day selling Kobe's, more than a shoe. And I'm just like, bro, you're sick. And, you know, I get it. Business is business. Emotions don't pay bills. But like, are you really that heartless? Like, that's not okay to me. And resellers, and I can't even like speak on that because I have resold shoes. I understand, like, it's a quick buck. But resellers, hands down, have ruined the purity of the sneaker game. I feel like there's different types of resellers. You know, there's, oh, I wore my shoes a few times, let me sell them. I don't really wear them anymore because I want to buy another pair. Or, oh, let me buy 2 pairs because that's going to pay for this pair. But then it gets just too greedy. And I personally think that StockX should 100% take all Kobe's offline for the time being. GOAT should do the same, but I understand their business. They're a big business. And even a homie that tweeted me said, I understand, like, you guys know that I've worked with StockX, I've worked with GOAT, but that doesn't take away from my morals. Like, you don't make money off of someone that died. And, you know, even if they are going to make money, all the fees or whatever should be donated to the cause. And then, of course, in the back of your mind, you're greedy. Oh, well, Kobe worth like 200 million. They're going to be fine anyway. But it's, bro, you got a lot to work on if that's how you think. So, yes, I'm glad that Nike has taken everything offline. And, you know, the thing that really sucks is now the genuine Kobe fans, the people that really like love the sneakers, aren't going to be able to get them anymore because resellers are going to eat them up. And there's no fair way of going about it. I'm sure in a few months we're going to see some little kid with all this money and stacks of Kobe's behind him, and that's unfortunate, man. That's out of our control. You know, there's some things that we can't really control, and you know, if you're a true Kobe fan, your day will come, and hopefully you're fortunate enough to have bought and stuff previously. Like, I literally have so many Kobe's, and I'm so grateful that I bought them, and I was just so into it. Unfortunately, from here on out, like jerseys, sneakers, it's going to be tough. And again, it just messes with the purity of the sneaker game. And just being a fan in general, you don't even got to be a sneakerhead. So those are just some things that really are just rough. And, you know, no matter what, they're not going to change. Even though Nike stripped everything off the website, as soon as it goes back online, it's all going to sell out immediately. People are going to be flipping stuff on eBay, Grailed. There's really no way of preventing it. All I can really do is just, come on, man, really think about what you're doing. But I get it. I mean, you gotta eat. Unfortunately, guys, it's a doggy dog world. You guys know when ball was life. Kobe's. I'm honestly just gonna break them down one by one. I'm missing a few. Like I said, they're back home, like the masterpiece. So I'm telling you, like, you guys know I have literally every single Kobe 9 high. I loved everything about this. Like, I love the concept, just the struggle. You know, every single one of these had a different theme and just such a phenomenal meaning. And I mean, this was the one shoe that never tore my foot up, so it was such a win-win. Like, number one, I'm a huge Kobe Bryant fan, and these are so fire. Number two, the meaning behind them, I don't even know if I'm on number 2, number 3, whatever. Struggle, Black History Months, oh my god. I think all of these I got for under retail too. That's the best part about it, is back when I had like swoosh account, I went crazy. So this, I wore this a few times in the games, typically around February. My next pair, I don't know why I looked at the mic like this. This is probably my most worn Kobe 9. I wore these all throughout college for 2 years. I mean, they're pretty beat up. There's like tears on them. These are the Legacy. I wore these a lot just because they matched the team colors. We all had to wear like Nike. I don't know what we had to wear. Some trash shoes that I didn't want to wear. So I like had to fight the school just to wear my Kobe's. That's how, it was stupid. Yeah. I hope you guys are watching. Again, Mamba for life. I love these. And then probably my second most worn Kobe 9 high. I know I'm just going through all the highs right now. I also have the multicolor, the masterpiece, but I can't find them right now. These are the Kobe 9 detail. Super, super fire. Great hoop shoe, man. If you guys ever have the opportunity, once this, hopefully this stupid resale phase goes away, get a pair of these. Like, they're amazing. Like, I put my whole family, all my uncles wear them, like when we go hoop. Like I told them, these shoes are the truth. Then this was a huge release. This is the Moonwalker, Kobe 9, kind of like in memory of Michael Jackson. I actually changed the lace so it's like 3M, but these have been worn a lot, as you can see. Low tops were a big thing for me for a while. And then, so I actually made a lot of custom ID Kobe's. This was specifically for breast cancer awareness. I just kind of went crazy on it. I wore these during a game. If you don't know, I'm an October baby, and I really just wanted to support the community. So I put my name in it. It's my last name, Mitchell, and then X. If you know, obviously not breast cancer, but my little cousin passed away from cancer. So again, just a lot of meaning behind each of these shoes. This next pair was just like, hey, bro, good luck. I'm dunking on you. Like, this is the shoe that I used to bang. Like I think I got a clip of me at the gym, but. So I made these basically kind of, what's the word? I don't know. They're just inspired by Muhammad Ali. So my other one, I don't have both shoes here, but it says sting right here, and the other one says float. So float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. So, you know, number one, you got that Mamba mentality, and then you got to float, hit them with the cross, sting them, you know, real quick. So I don't know. I made every single one of these concepts just super kind of important to me because obviously I knew, like, I was a huge fan of these shoes. Well, I still am, but like, I bought these for a purpose. I was out there to sting you, bro. I'm sweating just thinking about it right now. Memories, like, there's so many miles on this shoe. And like I told you guys, I have so many of these high tops right here. So this is this, what is it, Strategy? Yeah, these are the Strategy. I remember getting these on eBay way under retail, brand new. Miss those days because this was just a cold colorway, that bright orange, and then you got the olive green. Woo! And then I got the Bruce Lee joints. These are the Kobe 11s. I really like these. I can't say I like them as much as I like the 9s. And then, you know, kind of going from there, I didn't really buy any more Kobe shoes from that point. I just felt like, number one, it got to a point where I just had so many Kobe's. Like, I was like, man, I gotta chill out. I got the same silhouette. So I kind of like stopped collecting for that reason. And, you know, there was the recent release. It was like the Kobe NXT, and I wanted the white pair, which I should have bought them. I don't know why I didn't. Yeah, you know, at this point, these are even more sentimental than they already were. Like, I told you guys some of the stories behind them, but now there's just an even greater meaning, and especially just these, like, man, it's just a tough pill to swallow, man. Thank you, Kobe. You really changed my life and honestly a million other people's. And for you guys, the one takeaway, or the one thing that I really want you to just decide is, who do you want to be? Just to try to influence as many people as you can, because you never know what your positive vibes can do for someone. You know, you can really send someone in the right direction. And, you know, that's all Kobe preached, was just stay hungry, chase your passion. If you're not waking up every day happy and excited about what you're doing, then you need to do something else. If you guys saw my video yesterday, that was when I got the news. Mary came in here and said to me, Kobe just died. And I was like, and I'm sure a lot of you guys were like, TMZ, come on, bro. Where's the facts? I went on Twitter. I'm like, I don't believe this. And immediately the first thing I thought about was his family, because again, he was more than a basketball player. I really hope they can make it through this. Same goes with all the other families. You know, that's 5 different families affected just from one crash. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And you know what I'd love for you to do for me? Like, down below in the comments, let me know if there's any quote or experience that you've had from Kobe that has really resonated with you and, you know, sent you in the right direction. I'll start with me. When I was younger, I feel like Kobe inspired me to always have that just overdrive, like this burning passion to be something. He was just one of many people that influenced me to get where I am. And like I said, I'm just super grateful to have been around during this time. Just drop that comment down below. Appreciate you watching. This is your boy ASneakerLife. I'll catch you guys in the next one.